Something big just stepped out of the shadows, quietly, confidently. And if you look closely, you can feel Samsung setting the stage for a serious power move. The US version of the Galaxy S26 Ultra has just appeared on Geekbench, marking its very first benchmark sighting. And right away, it confirms something huge. This phone is running the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. But here's where things get interesting. This isn't the final version of the chip. Not yet. Samsung is clearly holding something back. According to details shared by ICE Universe, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 inside this early S26 Ultra keeps its familiar 2-cluster CPU design. 6 performance cores run at 3.63 GHz, matching the standard configuration. But the 2 prime cores? They're underclocked, running at 4.19 GHz, below their true ceiling. And that feels intentional. Normally, Samsung's, for Galaxy, chips are pushed even harder. So this looks less like a limitation, and more like Samsung saving the full power for later. Even in this restrained form, the performance is already impressive. The Galaxy S26 Ultra scores 3,466 in single-core and 11,035 in multi-core tests. And remember, this is before final tuning. For comparison, phones like the OnePlus 15 usually land around 3,600 single-core and 10,500 multi-core. So the direction is clear. Samsung is aiming straight for the title of the most powerful Android flagship ever. But performance is only half the story. The camera changes might be even bigger. Early leaks point to a brand new 24-megapixel shooting mode, and it completely changes how photos are captured. ICE Universe claims there is zero shutter lag. No pause, no delay. You press the button, and the moment is frozen instantly. That may sound small, but in real life, it's massive. Years of complaints about Samsung's shutter lag may finally be over. Perfect for quick moments, your child's first steps, a sudden laugh, or your pet doing something unpredictable. After capture, image processing takes just 3 seconds, making photos ready to share almost immediately. And with double the resolution compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, this upgrade isn't just about speed. It's about trust. Now let's talk design, because yes, it finally happened. Leaker Evan Blass, also known as EVLeaks, has shared the first official promo image of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And that new ultraviolet, or cobalt violet, color instantly steals the spotlight. The camera layout stays familiar, but Samsung has elevated it. The 3 large lenses now sit on a raised camera island, giving the back a more aggressive, premium look. The camera bump is thicker, layered in 2 levels, and clearly intentional, balancing durability with a bold visual statement. The corners are slightly more rounded than the S25 Ultra, making the phone feel softer in hand without losing its Ultra identity. Button placement stays exactly where fans expect it. And yes, the S Pen is still here. Its presence confirms the stylus survives into 2026, even as debates about its future continue. This is only the beginning. Leaks are about to ramp up fast. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S26 series on February 25 in San Francisco, with sales likely starting around March 11. The countdown has officially begun. So now I want to hear from you. Did Samsung finally get it right with the S26 Ultra?